Introducing the SkyClean, a drone-powered cleaning system designed to transform high-rise and industrial maintenance. Built on the DJI Matrice 400 platform, it delivers safer, faster, and more efficient cleaning than traditional methods. No scaffolding, no gondolas, just innovation at work. Once deployed, SkyClean is ready to work in minutes. The lightweight carbon fiber mount and quick connect system hold the lance securely in place, keeping balance and stability during flight. While the drone carries the lance to height, operators remain safely on the ground, fully in control. With standard pressure washer compatibility between 2500 and 4500 psi, the system delivers professional-grade results across rooftops, facades, signage, and industrial structures. We designed SkyClean to work with the tools you already use. Any standard commercial power washer in the 2500 to 45 psi range is supported. And the quick disconnect system allows for lightweight nozzles up to 100 grams. Whether you need just a hose and lance, a complete SkyClean kit, or a ready-to-clean bundle with the drone included, we've built flexible packages for every operation. And because this is mounted on the DJI Matrice 400, you're working with a trusted enterprise platform that's designed for stability and performance. Traditional methods like scaffolding or gondolas require hours of setup, are costly to operate, and put workers at unnecessary risk. SkyClean changes the equation. By keeping operators safely on the ground, companies reduce liability, increase efficiency, and unlock hard-to-access areas that were once challenging. From high-rise windows to billboards and silos, SkyClean makes elevated cleaning safer, smarter, and faster. This is more than cleaning. It's the future of high-rise maintenance. Available now exclusively from Infinite Drones. SkyClean by Nested Technologies. Exclusively available at Infinite Drones.